My name is Kevin Parkin, I'm the Managing Director of DavyMarkham. I've been here just over 3 years. If it's big and ugly, we love to manufacture it. Anything that weighs up to 350 tonnes, anything that's extremely complicated in terms of fabrication, machining or assembly, we get heavily involved in it. So you'll recognise things like the Thames Barrier, you'll recognise things like the Millennium Bridge. We were heavily involved in the design and manufacture of key components on these projects. We currently employ 200 people and we've got a turnover approaching £20 million. This is a typical job we undertake where we design, manufacture and install, and this is a job that's going to Canada in the mining industry, and here we've designed, fabricated and we're just machining the compensation sheet. I've brought in here to get hold of the business to either close it or do something with it. Fortunately, I realised there's a fantastic company here with lots of tradition, lots of experience and a great workforce. And together, not just me, together as a team we've managed to turn this business around, that we've been highly successful. We've got a full order book currently and we made some good profit last year and we plan to make some good profit this year. This is the refurbishment of an extremely large press. We were asked to go in and look at the press. We identified components that were worn over many, many years of use. We've redesigned the press, we've shown where the wear has taken place and we've put in these new columns. And we've designed, manufactured and we're going to install, and we'll get that press back to better than its original condition. There are lots of challenges that eventually the knock-on effect of the falling consumer demand will hit through the motor industry and hit to the production of large equipment, and as government stops spending on some of the large infrastructure projects in the short term, they may be delayed. However, we haven't seen that, and we haven't seen those cutbacks in our demand for equipment or the level of inquiries that are coming in that are running at record levels. Here we're doing very heavy welding of plates, and this is a quarter section of a tunnel boring machine which will be used to cut a hole through rock in China. We've been very successful in this market, we're delighted to be part of it. And this is where we take now 20 extra guys on, just to compensate for having such a large order book. And it's great to see people working overtime in this day and age. It's great to see guys who've been fearing redundancy for many years being offered as much overtime as they can work. Our plans for the future are to carry on investing, to improve the reliability of our existing kit, to carry on training employees, to make sure we have world-class employees, and to concentrate on the apprentice training scheme that we've got in place now. We have 20% of our shop floor employees who are trainees or apprentices, and that's a record level for this business, and it's something that I believe in passionately, and it's something I want to concentrate on the future, because there is no way this business or many other engineering companies can survive unless they treat apprentices as capital expenditure.